Question: where were the first traffic lights installed? The first traffic lights, with red and green lamps, yellow appeared later, were already in place in 1914 in the city of Cleveland, USA. In general, many things related to automobiles appeared in the USA earlier than in the Old World. In 1935, the first parking meters were installed in Oklahoma. In 1940, General Motors installed the first automatic transmissions in their passenger cars, so drivers no longer needed to shift gears manually. In Europe, the first traffic light appeared in 1925 in Berlin. It regulated traffic at Potsdamer Platz, which was then the busiest square in the world. Question: how many borders did the most determined motorcyclist cross in one day? A German dentist crossed 11 European countries on his motorcycle in one day. The meticulously planned record route, 1,700 kilometers long, began in Hungary and passed through Austria, Germany, Italy, Liechtenstein, Switzerland, France, Luxembourg, and Belgium, ending in the Netherlands. During the trip, the driver always obeyed traffic rules requiring speed limits on certain road sections, and completed the entire journey in 19 hours and 2 minutes. Question: what is the top speed of the fastest production motorcycle? Based on the mass-produced Kawasaki 900 motorcycle, the Swiss company EGLI created their version. Its engine has a power of 320 horsepower. The motorcycle reaches a record maximum speed of 360 kilometers per hour. Question: what did the motorcyclist do at the North Pole? It took a Japanese motorcyclist 45 days to travel from Canada to the North Pole over the perennial polar ice on his motorcycle, which was adapted for Arctic conditions. A support team followed him on snowmobiles. The motorcyclist had only one goal: to be the first motorcyclist at the North Pole. There was no other purpose for his trip.
Question: who made the longest jump on a motorcycle? French stuntman Alain Prieur jumped 84 meters on his motorcycle during a long jump from the Olympic ski jump in Grenoble, France. This jump earned him a world record. Equally risky was the jump by Jürgen Baumgarten from Hamburg, who flew over 13 cars on his motorcycle, covering a distance of 65.7 meters.
Friends and guests of my channel, thank you for watching.